Here is how to block adult or explicit content in Chrome. Open Chrome, go to the search bar and type google.com. Next, make sure you're signed into your Google account, then tap on your profile icon at the top right. From there, go to Safe Search, then select Filter to turn it on. Now, the problem with this method is that when you go back and search for something explicit, there is a high possibility of turning the search filter off since it's visibly shown at the top, which makes it really tempting and easy to access explicit content. Therefore, the most effective method to avoid this and completely lock the filter changes is to open a new tab. You tap the three dots at the top right, then select Settings. Under Settings, select Privacy and Security, then scroll down to the very bottom and tap on Use Secure DNS. By default, this option is off, so turn it on. Then select Choose Another Provider and tap on Clean Browsing. After that, for the change to apply, refresh your browser, then close and reopen it from the home screen. So this time round, when you type explicit words, results will be locked and you can't disable the search filter either unless you go through the same settings to disable secure DNS.